Good morning everyone, class 12, subject accountancy. Today we will start a chapter 8, volume 2, accounting for companies. Okay, so chapter number 8, company accounts. So in this chapter we will discuss what is company. So company is a artificial person, is totally different from its owner. Okay, it is a separate legal entity, right? Okay, and company share capital classify in three following manner. First is authorized capital. Share capital of company, share capital of companies classified in following three manner. First is authorized oblique nominal oblique registered capital. Okay, so according to Companies Act 2013, section 2 subsection 8 is classified authorized capital is a registered capital in a MOA, Memorandum of Association. So Act is 2013, Section 2, subsection 8. Second category is issued capital. Issued capital, okay. And third category is subscribe capital. So again, first point, authorized oblique nominal oblique registered capital. So according to Companies Act 2013, it say that section 2 subsection 8, section 2 subsection 8 and MOA, Memorandum of Association of company to be maximum amount of share capital of a company. Second, issued capital. So Company Act 2013, again Act is 2013, section 2 subsection 50. Section 2 subsection 50 is say that company issue from time to time for subscription. So this capital under this company issue to shares in a following manner. So first is authorized capital, second is issued capital, and third is subscribe capital. Again, Company Act 2013, section 2 subsection 86. Okay, so according to this parameter, such part of capital which is from time being subscribed by memorandum of company. So following three capital include in a share capital. First is authorized, second is issued capital, and third is subscribe capital. And subscribe capital is again classified in two following manner: subscribe and fully paid. A, subscribe and fully paid category. Second, B, subscribe and fully paid up, and second category subscribe but not fully paid up. Subscribe but not fully paid up. Okay, clear? Means 10 rupees share, shareholder pay full amount as per following manner: application, allotment and share call. But in second category, shareholder does not pay the full amount as per prescribed norms. Clear? So following entries in prescribed manner. So accounting entries in this situation. So accounting treatments in following manner. So accounting entries. First entry is on receipt of application money. Point number first, on receipt of application money. Okay. So entry bank account debit to share application account. Bank account debit to share application account. On receipt of application money, on allotment of shares. Point number 2, on allotment of shares. So share application account debit to share capital account. Share application account debit, share application account debit to share capital account. Clear? Point number first, on receipt of application money. Point number 2, on allotment of shares. And point number 3, amount due on allotment. Amount due on allotment. So transfer to share capital account. Okay. Amount due on allotment. Amount due on allotment. Share allotment account debit to share capital account. Entry number 3, share allotment account debit to share capital account. Okay. Next entry, point number 4, on receipt of allotment money. On receipt of allotment money. So bank account debit to share allotment account. Bank account debit to share allotment account. Okay. Next, point number 4, on first call due. On first call money, first and final call money due. So in this situation, we will entry pass share first and final call account debit. Share first first and final call account debit to share capital account. Okay, to share first and final call account debit to share capital account. Last entry, receipt of final call money. Point number 6, receipt on final call first and final call money. So bank account debit, to share first and final call account. On receipt of application money, bank account debit to share application account. On allotment of shares, share application account debit to share capital account. Amount due on allotment, share allotment account debit to share capital account. Point number 4, on receipt of allotment money, bank account debit to share allotment account. Point number 5, on first and final call money due. So share first and final call account debit to share capital account. And last is final amount is received, bank account debit to share first and final call account. Okay. Entries for issue of share premium. Okay. So following entry again discuss in manner. So on allotment of shares, on allotment of shares. So these shares are issued at a premium by company. So share application account debit to share capital, share application account debit to share capital, and to security premium. Okay, to security premium account, security premium reserve account. Okay, and on receipt of allotment money, so bank account debit to call scenario to share allotment account if amount is not received. Okay, next situation is under subscription and over subscription. So we will start over subscription. So in this case, if a company issue a share, if a company issue shares 1 lakh, okay, and public application 1,20,000 shares. Company issue 1 lakh shares and public apply 1,20,000 shares. So this is called over subscription case. And second, under subscription case, just opposite. If a company issue share 1 lakh shares, public apply 80,000 shares. So this is called under subscription. Clear?